Hello and welcome to my channel where I talk about and educate people about diamonds and jewelry. I'm Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert, guiding you since past 1 decade, and I have spent more than 2 decades in this industry. And I would like to impart my knowledge, information with you as a viewer so that you gain better insight and understanding about your future purchase about diamond and jewelry. So if you like this type of concept, you can subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook to keep in touch with me. Let's discuss about what is my shipment is about today. Someone from Virginia, has inquired about a lab-grown emerald cut diamond within a budget of under 2,000 US dollars, and she wanted to have a very particular length and width of an emerald cut diamond, like a 9.1 millimeter in length and 6.5 millimeter in the width of the diamond, and under a certain budget she wanted to have. So what we did is we went around in the wholesale market of New York. I inspected several diamonds and start selecting, shooting videos in room light condition, daylight condition, and selecting the one which has right sparkle, right balance of value between the quality and the price, and started sharing the information like report video and everything. Upon seeing this information, the customer sitting in their home comfort was able to discuss and select the one which is this particular stone. It's a 2.7 carat G color VS1 clarity diamond, lab grown diamond of emerald shape, graded by IGI. You can see excellent polysymmetry, non-fluorescent. We handpicked this diamond out of hundreds of diamonds that are available, tens of them that I inspected. I saw to it that the diamond does not have any kind of light leakage or any kind of impurity that is being noticed to the naked eye, any kind of color shade that has been too obvious, that the diamond starts looking, very unpleasant to the naked eye. Now, this kind of personal inspection helps you as a consumer to safeguard your purchase, buy a more accurate diamond, buy a much better diamond, which you will not be able to decide, by looking at something on the screen, because every person has a different screen resolution, every video is different, every user will, select a diamond in a different way. Whereas when we work on it, with our over 2 decades of experience, we will see to it that we are selecting the right diamond for the consumer. And after offering a couple of options, it's your decision which one you want to go for. So this diamond, when we picked, the customer was happy and instantly made the payment, and it went further by she wanted us to refurbish their old ring. Now this is very important, because this video we have not made the complete ring, we have only sourced the diamond and set it into a refurbished an old ring and made it completely look like new. So if you have an old piece of jewelry and want them to look like new, replace a stone, you may have an old moissanite or cubic zirconia or any other kind of crystal or lookalike of a diamond, and want to replace with a natural diamond or a lab grown diamond, we will be happy to assist you make that piece into a completely new looking bespoke piece for you, so that you don't have to make another budget for another new piece of jewelry and recycle your old jewelry. So this is what I want to discuss with you. The lady was happy with our quotations, with our service quality, and today we are going to securely ship it to Virginia at her doorstep. So if this is something that interests you and you want to have better quality, better deal in price, you can reach out to me in the below given description. With a small fee of $30, we initiate every inquiry, offer all the vital information which you should be knowing before you place an order. And that is how one should be making or buying a piece of jewelry, is what I feel. So if that interests you, then I look forward to your request. Thank you.